Peace and gratitude, family. Welcome to another episode here on CosmicCellFoods, where we focus on entrepreneurship, health, and spiritual evolution. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the abundant rewards of focus. We're going to be talking about the 3 stages of focus that, if applied, you can easily fulfill any goal that you have. So let's get into it. So simply put, focus is distraction removal. And once you remove the distraction, you can begin to focus on the progression that's needed for you to have small wins. And those small wins lead you to having the fulfillment of your goal. Once the distractions are removed, if you want to know how to remove distractions, watch this video right here. But once the distractions are removed, now we can start putting some forward progression into whatever that goal is. So we remove the distractions, and now we're focusing on our legacy. We're focusing on where we want to go with our life because we have the distractions removed, because distractions can manifest your life for you. So once you get focused, you get intentional about where you want to go, you will start receiving those messages on exactly where Source wants you to go to be able to receive the least amount of resistance till you get into your goal. So once you receive those messages, now it's time to have some forward moving progression on accomplishing those goals. So progression is the process of working to attain the goal. So now we got the distractions removed. We received some messages from the divine, from the Most High on what exactly we need to do. Now we're starting to make some progression on the things that Source has told us to do. Secondly, after we start making some progression, now we start to see small little wins here, small little wins there, because we're progressing. Successes provide fulfillment to your progression. These are small wins being accumulated. This gives you energy on that journey of progression to continue to eventually get to that goal. Now it's going to be easy going through it, but you make it to that small win, and that gives you a breath of fresh air to keep going. Now, lastly, fulfillment. Once we've had multiple small wins and we continue progressing because we're having multiple small wins, we look up and eventually we're fulfilling our full goal. So fulfillment simply means your progression and small wins and your successes have led you to the fulfillment of your goal. That's what fulfillment means. Nobody gets to fulfillment without going through some progression. And nobody gets to fulfillment without going through that progression, having some small wins, and then making it to their destination. They all are necessary. Even when you're going to get food, to put some food in your stomach, the progression is you getting out of the bed, you getting out of where you are and getting into the car to go get you some food. That's progression. Small wins is you making it to the grocery store. Small wins is not getting hit by a car. Small wins is you having the resources to be able to get your food. You get what I'm saying? So this is a universal concept, family. This can be applied in anything in life. And eventually you'll look up and have accomplished your goal. And you'll see that it was about the journey, not just the destination. So I say today, award yourself with the abundant rewards of focus and watch your life change. Until the next video, CosmicCellFoods, we out. If you enjoyed this video, it's a probable guarantee that you're gonna like this one as well. So go ahead and give it a gander, and remember to keep it cosmic.